The decision to cancel busing is never an easy one, and it's one that we take very, very seriously. There's a lot of processes in place, and whenever the decision is made, the safety of the students is always our #1 priority. We start the process at around 4 a.m. in the morning. Whenever inclement weather is forecasted to be approaching the area, we communicate with the Weather Network, which have some of the top forecasters in the country that assist us in making the decision to cancel or run buses. Some of the factors that are considered are the visibility, rain, if we were getting freezing rain, the amount of snow that's accumulated, and various other factors of that kind. Student transportation of Eastern Ontario, we transport about approximately 35,000 students each day on approximately 1,200 routes throughout the region. Student transportation of Eastern Ontario is divided into 18 zones. In the 18 zones, we have weather captains who go out and verify road conditions starting at around 4:30 in the morning. By 5 a.m. in the morning, we start to receive notices or verification from the captains on such factors as visibility, road conditions, and whether the buses should be running or not. Between 5:30, 5:45 on inclement weather morning, we contact the directors of education from the Catholic District School Board or the Upper Canada District School Board to provide them with updates on weather and road conditions, and we make a recommendation to them whether we should run or cancel. They make the final decision as to whether buses are canceled on any particular day. The region is broken up into 18 zones, so transportation can be canceled in any one of those zones, and it allows us to be much more effective in the process. By approximately 6:15 a.m., we then, after the decision is made to cancel busing, we contact about 50 to 60 radio stations, TV stations throughout Eastern Ontario to advise them that the busing has been canceled. We also have a 1-800 phone line that can accommodate or handle up to 30,000 phone calls per hour, where parents can go to verify if buses are canceled or running. As well, we also have our website that is very, very popular, and many parents and students go to on a regular basis on inclement weather days. Our drivers are notified through a phone chain where 3 or 4 of the captains will contact their drivers. Those drivers will then contact another 3 or 4 drivers, so on and so on. Within a matter of minutes, approximately 800 drivers are contacted and notified of cancellation of busing. Whenever we cancel buses, the schools remain open, and parents have the option of dropping their kids off at the school. Students that live near the school as well have the option of walking to school. As you can see, there's a lot of consideration that goes into the decision as to whether buses are canceled or run. Safety is our #1 priority when making the decision.